In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Tradovate demo account. How to create Tradovate demo account. By the end, you'll be comfortably practicing trades with virtual funds without risking real money, and you'll know exactly how to get set up the right way. First, open your browser and head to the Tradovate homepage. On the front page, look for the button that says Start Free Trial. This is your entry point to the demo environment. Clicking it takes you to a simple sign-up form where you can begin your trial without committing to a paid plan. Next, register your account. Enter your email address and the required details to create a username and password. Pick a strong password you'll remember, and make sure the email you use is one you can access right away, since you'll need it for verification. I take a moment to review any checkboxes or terms so you know what you're agreeing to, and then submit the form to create your account. After that, verify your email. Open your inbox and look for a message from Tradovate containing a verification link. If you don't see it within a minute or two, check your spam or promotions folders. Click the link once, wait for the confirmation page to load, and you're good to move on. This verification is important because it activates your demo access and keeps your account secure. Now it's time to launch the platform. You can log in through the Tradovate web trader in your browser, download the desktop application if you prefer a dedicated app, or install the mobile app for trading on the go. The web version is great for quick access with no installation. The desktop app often offers a more robust experience, and the mobile app keeps you connected when you're away from your computer. Use the same credentials you just created to sign in. Once you're logged in, make sure you're in the simulation or demo environment. Look for an account selector or toggle labeled Simulation or Demo and choose that option. This ensures all orders and positions use practice funds, not real capital. You'll typically see clear indicators like a sim label or a simulated balance, confirming you're in the right mode. Before placing any orders, double-check that the demo account is selected so your practice remains risk-free. That's it. Visit the site and start the free trial, register, verify your email, launch the platform on web, desktop, or mobile, and select Simulation. From here, explore charts, watch lists, and order entry at your own pace. Practicing in the demo helps you build confidence with tools and order types before you ever go live. Happy practicing, and take your time getting comfortable in the simulation environment.